Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you the headings in HTML. Heading tags are used to define the levels of headings. In day-to-day life also, whenever we are reading the newspapers, there are many news, but the headings are necessary. So here in this video I am going to explain how many headings are there in HTML. Basically, total 6 headings are there in HTML. It starts with the h1 tag, that is h1 is the one heading, h2 is the another, h3, h4, h5 and h6 likewise. In this, h1 heading is the highest heading among all the headings and h6 is the lowest heading. Means in between all headings are there. So h2 is a smaller than h1, h3 is smaller than h1 and h2, and likewise h6 is the lowest heading among all the headings. Now we will make one program onto this, then we will realize what exactly the headings are. So just I minimize over here first of all. Again, to make the headings, again we are going to the folder, that is I make one folder over here. In that folder, just look at carefully, I given a name HTML, so just double click onto there. Yeah, you can create your own folder, give it the valid folder name, and just into that folder you just double click, right click on over there, select the new. In that new I want a text document, so I select the text document. Again you just double click the text document, you open the text document. Now the text document will be open. Now just first maximize it. First of all, you have to save the save as, because I want as a .html. So here I given a name headings dot html. Okay, look at carefully, I given the name headings dot html, and again the same I save into the HTML folder which is onto the desktop. Just click onto the save button. So here headings.html file will be created. Now again same, the program start with the HTML, then head tag is enclosed in HTML, then title tag is enclosed in the head tag. So I given the name headings in HTML. I close the title tag first, then head tag I am closing over here. Now I start with the body tag. Okay, now here I am going to use the headings. So here I am writing, this is heading tag page. Headings are as follows. In HTML. Yes, I am here writing, this is heading tag page. Headings are as follows in HTML. Okay, now I am here using the heading tag, so I just use the h1 heading. You can write it in capital also or small, it is not a case sensitive. HTML is not a case sensitive, so I am writing over here this is heading 1. I close the heading tag with the /. Likewise I use, first I close it, body tag, and then HTML tag, because I want to see the output of heading tag. So I just save it by using Ctrl+S. Yeah, go to the file menu, save the file, don't save as, save the file. I just minimize it. Okay, go to the folder which is I am in HTML folder, which is onto the desktop. So here I am using the headings, so headings.html. Look at carefully, headings. I double click onto that. See, look at the whatever I written into the heading tag, this is heading 1. So heading 1 takes this much space, and always headings are coming into the bold, and the normal text which is I am written, this is heading tag page. Headings are as follows in HTML, come into the normal text. So this is, I just use the heading, yeah, H1 heading. I again come back, yeah, I just minimize it first. Again I am going to the notepad file which is onto the taskbar. Okay, now I will make it code. Just I copy paste it, Control C, shortcut is Control C for the copy, enter, Control V is for the pasting purpose. So I just make it correction over here, instead of H1 I can write H2. Just close it with the H2 also. Okay, again save it and use the Alt Tab button for navigate between the many pages onto it. So here just refresh it, so you will get the, this is heading 1. Oops, just a minute, I make here heading 1. So instead of heading 1 you write that heading 2. Save it, again Alt Tab and refresh it, so heading 2. So look at the difference between heading 1 and heading 2. So this is heading 1 and this is heading 2. Now again I go back with the Alt Tab button, you shuffle, yeah, you navigate between the pages. Here I copied it by 4 times. Okay, enter, enter, enter. Instead of H1 I make it H3. Here it is H4, then H5 and H6. Here also same corresponding closing, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Now just save it by Ctrl S and Alt Tab. Again look at carefully, I refresh it. Look, the output will come as a, this is heading 1, heading 2, heading, oh oops, I again make that same mistake over there. Just correction, heading 3, then heading 4, then heading 5, then heading 6. I make it Ctrl+S, Alt Tab and I make it refresh. You can make it refresh by pressing the F5 as a shortcut key, yeah, by doing this. So look at here, this is heading 1, this is heading 2, heading 3, heading 4. Always remember headings are come into the bold and the normal text is come into the, they are not coming into the bold. So this is my output. Now in HTML only 6 headings are there. There is a no H7 heading is there. So just if I minimize it and into the code, if I write like H7 Suppose I make it h7. Here I close with the h7 and I am writing over here 7, but I save it. Again alt tab, again refresh. Look at carefully. The output is, this is heading 7. Actually it is not a heading, it came as a normal text. So in HTML, remember, only 6 headings are there. H1 is the highest heading and H6 is the lowest heading. H1, whatever you written into the headings, they are coming as a bold text. So this is the headings. In this video I explain headings in HTML. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel Ankush Sir. Thank you very much.